Uttarakhand, a hilly state in North India, is home to 10 million people. 70% of Uttarakhand's population lives in rural areas. Despite its natural beauty, being located at the foothills of the Himalayan mountain ranges, Uttarakhand is one of the 8 Empowered Action Group states of India, which are the high focus states in view of their poor health indicators. In this state, one of every 28 infants born annually dies before the first birthday, and one out of every 279 mothers loses her life due to birth related complications. Many of these deaths are from easily preventable causes. Based on global evidence, the Government of India is focusing on family planning as an essential intervention to improve the mortality and morbidity of mothers and children. Family planning allows women to space or limit their pregnancies, leading to safer births and healthier babies. My name is Monica Ravi. I got married at the age of 20. I had my daughter on the 1st of March 2012. My daughter's name is Angel. I had gone to Women's Hospital Haldwani to deliver my child. When I had gone for my delivery, the nurse told me about the postpartum IUCD. She explained that often women get pregnant in quick succession, and if they don't want the baby, they have to go in for an abortion. She said, if I opted for a family planning method right after my baby's birth, I will not get pregnant unknowingly. And when my child is 2 years old, I can choose to get the IUCD removed and prepare to have my next child. I have benefited from it. Many women get pregnant too early or too many times. Nothing like that will happen to me. I am very happy to have opted for this family planning method. I do the cooking and cleaning in the house, wash clothes, I do all the housework. I need to go up and down the mountain when there is some work and when I need to get things from the market. I would have found it very difficult to do my work if I would get pregnant again so soon. And I would have a lot of problems. How would I look after this baby and do all my work? It has been 2 years since the PPIUCD program began at our facility. We have got a very positive response to it. Many ladies agree to get an IUCD right after normal deliveries and after cesarean sections as well. The MCHIP team comes regularly and asks us if we are facing any problem, and they update us and give us suggestions to improve the program. So we get a lot of cooperation from them. It makes us very happy to see them put their hearts into this program, and that encourages us to work hard as well. Early on, the problem we faced was that there weren't sufficient doctors to provide these services. But after getting trained, we now have more hands to provide services. I think allowing nurses to insert PPIUCD is a very good step taken by the authorities. I want all the nursing staff at my facility to get trained for PPIUCD services so that we can provide even better family planning services to the women who come to us. The counselor's role is quite big. I think without a counselor, we could not have taken this program forward. I do counseling. I explain the importance of family planning to women and their families when they come for their ANC checkups. When they come in early stages of labor, I counsel them. Then the next day, I also counsel them in the postnatal ward. I tell them, you've just had a baby. Would you want to have the next baby too soon? If not, choose a family planning method from here and go. In the villages, in the mountains, a woman has to work very hard. She has to work in the fields, get fodder for the domestic animals, work again at home, look after her children and family. Her life is quite tough. If she has children one after another, she will get anemic and will not be able to give birth to a healthy baby. A baby cannot stay healthy if the mother stays unhealthy or ill. So when a woman accepts a family planning method, it makes me happy A lady who has been an acceptor of PPIUCD can be the best advocate for this method to others. If we look after her well, if she stays happy, then she will talk about it to 10 other women in her community. So I feel that it is very important to follow up and accept her. I had actually got influenced by others and had gone to get the IUCD removed. I had pain in my stomach, so someone told me that it could be because of the IUCD, that it spoils the uterus and that I will die. My husband and I got scared and went to get it removed. There I met Chandra Didi. Didi reassured me that nothing like this happens and they are baseless rumors. She called my husband also and explained everything very well to him. She told us that the IUCD can stay safe in my uterus for up to 10 years. Then we understood and we agreed to keep the IUCD. I don't have any problem now. When our daughter completes 2 years, only then will we think of planning for the next one. We want our daughter to study and become a doctor. We have thought that if we have a small family, then we can educate our children well and they can do well in life.